everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a Go Forth Goods unboxing. So if you love chestnut, both of these bags are chestnut. So I have the Crossbody Hoffman. And here she is. I asked for lots of color variation and the leather really looks very smooth. And it already smells amazing. I could smell it from here. So I asked for saddle handles because I wanted it to kind of match the chestnut leather. So I actually think it looks really nice. And I also asked for copper rivets here. So let's see. I'm gonna open it up. I got double zippers, love those. Comes with the crossbody strap, matches the handles. All right, so I will have a full review of this Crossbody Hoffman coming up. And the second bag that I ordered is the extra large Florence, also in chestnut. And they included this nice little key ring here. Okay, so it comes with all these cards. Move this box out of the way. So I wasn't sure if this was going to be super big, but I love like the extra large opening in here. I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit. This leather is very thick, but it is got a little heft, but it does come with a strap. So if I never use these straps, by the way, so I'm probably just going to take them out. And it's much lighter without the straps, thankfully. So inside, oh, I ordered a hem pocket here. And the inside is just a big, wide, cavernous opening. It's got an inside pocket over here. And there's also a D-ring for you to clip on your keys, but I'm going to add an extender because it's very, very short and hard to find. So I also asked for color variations, and this actually looks really nice. I kind of love how it's lighter here, it's darker here. Fantastic. And this side looks really nice also. Has some markings here. I don't mind that. And the bottom looks really good too. So I'm hoping to get this a little bit slouchier because it is a little bit big for me, at least for me it is. So if it slouches a little bit, I think the size will be very nice. This is my second extra large Florence and very happy to have this in my collection. So I'm going to have full reviews coming up of both bags. So stay tuned. That is it. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you next time.